Hello everyone, come back with me. Today, I will ask about movie with stranger. I will interview stranger and ask them about their favorite film. Come on. Hello brother.
Hello, Mr.
I am Syam and you?
My name is Janar.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kediri.
Kediri.
And you?
I am from Bulukumba. You know Bulukumba?
I don't know.
Bulukumba in Makassar. Yeah, you know Makassar?
I know.
Okay. Okay. I have a question for you. Okay. First question. How often you go to the cinema?
I think I often go to the cinema because I like watch so many films in cinema.